Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Swiss Safe Kit is probably one of the most essential items to have, whether you're a seasoned adventurer or just someone who likes to be prepared. In this video, we're diving deep into the Swiss Safe First Aid Kit, exploring its contents, and assessing its value for your peace of mind. We'll cover everything from the basics to the more specialized items, so you can decide if this kit is the right choice for your needs. Number 5. Swiss Safe 2-in-1 First Aid Kit. This first aid kit is your reliable guardian. Its robust, impact-absorbing hardcase ensures unwavering security for any outdoor adventures, road trips, camping, hiking, or even at home. It's perfect for treating cuts and scrapes on your next journey. This kit boasts 348 pieces of medical supplies, making it one of the most comprehensive sets available. It contains items to treat a wide variety of injuries and emergencies, ensuring you have all the necessary tools at your disposal. The organized interior makes it easy to find exactly what you need in any emergency situation. It fits into any storage space or can be tucked away in a bag, making it perfect for campers, backpackers, hikers, and families. You also get a mini kit containing 32 pieces. This compact and portable kit is perfect for smaller day-to-day emergencies. You can easily carry it in a handbag, backpack, or car glove box. It provides an additional layer of safety and preparedness on outdoor expeditions. Discover the next evolution in safety preparedness with this groundbreaking first aid kit. It features a two-way front and back opening. This innovative design sets it apart, allowing you to enhance your safety readiness with unmatched convenience and accessibility. This product may expose you to chemicals. For more information, please visit the website provided. This product is also FSA and HSA eligible, making it a convenient choice for your medical needs. What we like. This kit's heavy-duty hardcase is your reliable guardian. It ensures unwavering security for any outdoor adventure. If you're planning a road trip or camping, you should consider this one, because it's perfect for cuts and scrapes on your next journey. What people say. It's packed with just about everything you could need: bandages, gauze, scissors, tape, and even a little first aid guide. Everything is organized perfectly, so you're not fumbling when things get stressful. What I love most is how compact and lightweight it is, without feeling cheap or understocked. The case feels durable and holds up well whether it's tossed in a trunk or stuffed in a travel bag. And that bonus mini kit? Total win for hikes, dog walks, or even just day trips with the kids. Well-organized first aid kit. Compact but useful items. Number 4. Protect Life 200-piece Survival First Aid Kit. This first aid kit is designed by emergency experts, perfect for outdoor use. It's a professional-grade kit, ideal for travel, hiking, and all your outdoor adventures. The kit is lightweight and fits easily in backpacks or glove boxes. It's a must-have for camping, hiking, and any survival situation you might encounter. Made with high-quality materials, this small first aid kit is built to last. It's designed to withstand rugged use, perfect for campers and hikers. This mini first aid kit is stocked with key emergency supplies. It's great for hiking, biking, or camping, ensuring you're ready for minor injuries. We are committed to your safety with this compact, portable survival first aid kit. It's a reliable companion for adventure, travel, and unexpected emergencies, giving you peace of mind. What we like. Designed by emergency experts, this kit is built for outdoor use. It's compact and portable, fitting easily in your backpack. If you are looking for a reliable companion for your adventures, you should consider this one. What people say. Complete kit, supplies for all possibilities. If something would happen, the supplies in this kit would hold you over until you got help. Small package so it doesn't take up much room. Has everything that might be needed in an emergency. Takes up small space. I've got one for each of our cars. The Protect Life First Aid Kit arrived neatly packaged with all the supplies organized inside a sturdy, lightweight case. It includes a wide variety of items that make it useful for home, travel, hiking, or keeping in the car. The compact design makes it easy to store without taking up much space, and the quality of the case and supplies feels reliable for handling small emergencies. Number 3. Protect Life 160 PCS Mini First Aid Kit. This 160-piece first aid kit is built for outdoor emergencies. It's a professional-grade kit, perfect for travel, hiking, and all your outdoor adventures. This lightweight kit fits easily in backpacks or glove boxes. It's a must-have travel camping gear item for outdoor emergencies, hiking trips, or survival situations. Made with high-quality materials, this small first aid kit is designed to withstand rugged use. It's ideal for campers, hikers, and anyone preparing for outdoor survival. Stocked with key emergency supplies, this mini first aid kit is great for hiking, biking, or camping. Stay ready for outdoor emergencies and minor injuries anytime, anywhere. We're committed to safety with this compact, portable survival first aid kit. Designed for outdoor use, it's a reliable companion for adventure, travel, and unexpected emergencies. What we like. Designed by emergency experts, this kit is built for outdoor use. It's compact and portable, fitting easily in your backpack. If you are looking for a reliable companion for your adventures, you should consider this one. What people say. Complete kit, supplies for all possibilities. If something would happen, the supplies in this kit would hold you over until you got help. Small package so it doesn't take up much room. Has everything that might be needed in an emergency. Takes up small space. I've got one for each of our cars. The Protect Life First Aid Kit arrived neatly packaged with all the supplies organized inside a sturdy, lightweight case. It includes a wide variety of items that make it useful for home, travel, hiking, or keeping in the car. The compact design makes it easy to store without taking up much space, and the quality of the case and supplies feels reliable for handling small emergencies. Number 2. Swiss Safe 2-in-1 First Aid Kit. Ensure your family's safety with this premium first aid kit. It's packed with 200 essential pieces, perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. This kit is designed to provide comprehensive medical aid when you need it most. This kit is compact, lightweight, and easy to carry. It fits perfectly in a backpack or car glove box, weighing only 16 ounces. Take it with you wherever you go, ensuring you're always prepared. This kit includes upgraded gear for 2021, featuring a fire starter rod, wire saw, fishing line, and a mylar blanket. These additions make it ideal for survival situations and outdoor adventures. It's designed to help you in various emergency scenarios. This kit is suitable for various settings, including home, car, boat, camping, kitchen, sports, and weather emergencies. It's a versatile solution for any situation. It is designed to be your go-to aid kit. Swiss Safe guarantees customer satisfaction with this first aid kit. You can trust in the quality and reliability of this product. It's designed to provide peace of mind in any emergency. What we like. This kit is compact, light, and portable, perfect for any situation. It includes upgraded gear for 2021, such as a fire starter rod and wire saw. If you like all-purpose kits for home, car, or camping, you should consider this one. What people say. The kit is well organized and compact. It has a great selection of items. The contents are clearly labeled. Number 1. First Aid Kit, Professional Trauma Kit. This first aid kit features a labeling system, making it easy to identify the contents and their uses. It's well organized, so you can quickly find what you need, even in an emergency. This could potentially save a life. This car first aid kit is made with sturdy 600D polyester. It has a detachable mall-style mounting system, so it's easy to attach it to your bag or backpack. It's very complete and effective. The kit is only 7.9 foot, x 5.9, x 3.6, and weighs just 1.3 pounds, perfect for an active lifestyle. Its compact design makes it easy to carry anywhere. It is designed to be a to-go-anywhere type of first aid kit. This trauma first aid kit contains enough supplies to treat a family or group of friends in an emergency. It's perfect for outdoor adventures, home, car, camping, hiking, boating, traveling, college dorms, and offices. We are committed to providing comprehensive customer service. If you have any problems with this first aid kit, please contact us. We ensure that every customer's experience is top-notch. What we like. The well-organized and labeled compartments make it easy to find what you need in an emergency. It features a detachable maul system for easy attachment. If you are looking for a kit that is easy to carry and ready to go, you should consider this one. What people say. It is well stocked and well organized. The labeling makes it easy to find what you're looking for. It is highly mobile, seems to be nice waterproof fabric and has sturdy zippers for both closure and expandability. The internal compartments are well labeled, making it easy to find exactly what you need quickly. The labeled compartments make it incredibly easy to find what you need quickly, which is a huge plus in a high-stress situation. It's packed with 230 pieces, covering a wide range of needs from cuts and burns to more serious injuries. The compact design is perfect for camping, travel, or keeping in the car. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.